Hello all, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, my name is Disha, pursuing BE in Electronics and Communication at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I am going to give a presentation on TCP and UDP. What is TCP? TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, is one of the main protocols of the Internet Protocol suite. It lies between application and network layer, which are used in providing reliable delivery services. It is a connection-oriented protocol for communications that helps in the exchange of messages between different devices over a network. The Internet Protocol IP, which established the technique for sending data packets between computers, works with TCP. Working of TCP. To make sure that each message reaches its target location intact, the TCP or IP model breaks down the data into small bundles and afterward reassembles the bundles into the original messages on the opposite end. Sending the information in little bundles of information makes it simpler to maintain efficiency as opposed to sending everything in one go. After a particular message is broken down into bundles or packets, these bundles or packets may travel along multiple routes if one route is jammed but the destination remains the same. Now the TCP breaks the data into small packets and forwards it towards the Internet Protocol layer. The packets are then sent to the destination through different routes. The TCP layer in the user system waits for the transmission to get finished and acknowledges once all packets have been received. Features of TCP. Some of the most prominent features of Transmission Control Protocol are segment numbering system. TCP keeps track of the segments being transmitted or received by assigning numbers to each and every single of them or packets. Connection oriented, it means sender and receiver are contact to each other till the completion of the process. The other features of TCP are full duplex. In TCP, data can be transmitted from receiver to the sender or vice versa at the same time. Flow control. Flow control limits the rate at which a sender transfers data. This is done to assure or ensure reliable delivery. Error control. TCP implements an error control mechanism for reliable data service or transfer. Congestion control. TCP takes into account the level of congestion in the network. What is UDP? User Datagram Protocol is a transport layer protocol. UDP is a part of the Internet Protocol suite, refers to as UDP or IP suite. Unlike TCP, it is an unreliable and connectionless protocol, so there is no need to establish a connection prior to data transfer. The UDP helps to establish low latency and loss tolerating connections established over the network. The UDP enables process to process communication. It helps in the broadcasting. Applications of User Datagram Protocol. Firstly, used for simple request response communication when the size of data is less and hence there is lesser concern about flow and error control. Second application of UDP is it is suitable protocol for multicasting as UDP supports packet switching. The third application of UDP is UDP is used for some routing update protocols like RIP, Routing Information Protocol. The applications of TCP are it is used in military based operations and other quickly connection based systems. Advantages of UDP. Firstly, speed. UDP is faster than TCP because it does not have the overhead of establishing a connection and ensuring reliable data delivery. Second advantage is lower latency. Since there is no connection establishment, there is lower latency and faster response time. The third advantage of UDP is simplicity. UDP has a simpler protocol design than TCP. It is much easier to implement and manage. Disadvantages of UDP. Non-reliability. UDP does not guarantee delivery of packets or order of delivery, which can lead to missing or duplicate data. Second disadvantage, no congestion control. UDP does not have congestion control, which means that it cannot send the packets at the rate where the network is congested. No flow control. UDP does not have flow control, which means that it can overwhelm the receiver with packets that it can handle. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Please do like the video and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more electronics based videos.